Good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about mediate active learning in the ECD program. Who is this mediator? Here we are talking about the ECD practitioner or the ECD facilitator who is standing in between learning and the learners. So this person is passing the knowledge that he or she has to these learners. So another question that we might pose is that who is this learner that we are talking about? We do understand that each child is unique. Since, well, this child is unique, it means that in that particular class of yours, you will be having learners who are different in their learning styles. Remember, we're having kinesthetic ones, those who learn by doing. We have visual learners. We also have auditory learners, those whom you can just stand in between, in front of them, and then as you are teaching or when you are talking, they will just grab everything and learning take place. So another question that we might pose is that why do we have to facilitate or mediate active learning? Why active learning? When we look at the theories that guides learning in the ECD sector, we will understand that there are several theories that guides this learning. We can mention a few. Vygotsky's zone of proximal development, which says we ECD practitioners have to teach these kids. We need to pass this knowledge. And as we teach these kids, we need to also engage them in learning. Let them participate, ask them questions, ask their views in what we will be teaching. And also, we will be leaving these learners to complete tasks given to them. That's Vygotsky's zone of proximal development. And those who have achieved, we will encourage them and motivate them to do better. Those learners who have not met the particular learning outcome, they will be supported in order for them to do better. Another theory of Jean Piaget talks about concrete apparatus. So meaning that these learners, for them to be able to participate actively in learning, we will be giving them learning materials that they are able to touch, those that they are able to see. So illustrations, photos, pictures, real objects will be present in the mediation of learning activities. Another question that we might pose is, what is the ECD program? Remember, an ECD program is the strategy or the process to achieve goals. So we will have a planned learning program whereby we will be using different techniques like songs, stories, tasks, etc. to mediate active learning. So it's through these techniques whereby the ECD program will be facilitated or mediated. Why do we have to offer the ECD program? We will need to offer or to mediate active learning in order for us to offer best ECD service. Remember, there is no way parents can bring their kids to the learning place or the learning environment without expectations. So they are bringing their kids to this environment in order to get best service. So their expectations need to be met. So there has to be systems that are in good place, policies that are in good place for proper planning, assessment, administration, etc. I thank you.